Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what it is a blender that you use to blend ice, smoothie, or whatever you guys want to. That's up to you guys. So let's open up to show you guys what the product looks like and what comes with the package first. So when you first open the product itself, you guys can see that's basically what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys a little recipe book, which is pretty cool. And they also provide you guys a little user guide or instruction guide to teach you guys how to use it. And they also provide you guys a little warranty card right here. And then you can see the actual product itself right there, so let's take everything out. Alright, so here is the blender part, the top part. Take out this safety part right here. And they have the little cover or the lid for the actual cap. And then right underneath that, you guys can see everything else inside there. So they give you that little stick that you can use to push down the ingredients inside. And then here is a cap that you can put on top. And then right here we have the actual blender product itself right here. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So now let me actually take out everything and put it all together to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so basically how it works is that you guys want to put this part right here onto here, just like that. And then you guys want to put in the lid, obviously. So right on top like this, push it all the way down. And then you guys want to use the little cover that we have right here, on top right here. Make sure it fits correctly, just like that. And then you guys are all set. So this is basically what it looks like once you guys fully set it up. And then if you guys want to use the option where you guys don't use this lid, so you guys can actually put this in like this, just push it all the way like that as well. Or if you guys want to just like hold it like that, so that way it can be like a lid as well, so you guys don't need to use this one. And when you guys put on the lid for this lid right here, you guys want to make sure you guys lock it like that. Once you guys hear that lock, then it's locked and you guys can't take it out, you guys can see. But that's basically what the overall product looks like. So when you guys put on the blender itself, this part right here, you guys want to make sure it matches on the actual product itself, like right here. So if you guys take a look right here, they have this little part right here that you actually need to put it in for it to work, otherwise it won't work. And it should connect onto this bottom part right here, you guys can see. And this is what the bottom part looks like right there. And you guys can see the blade inside there, that's super sharp. This one I believe is like a 4 different blades in there, if you guys can see. 4 different blades. And what's really cool about this is also show you guys the measurement on here. So the maximum right here is 2 liters or 2000 milliliters. And if you guys look at the product itself, you guys can see all the buttons right there. So they have the option to crush ice, smoothie, grind, or pulse. And there's a total of 8 different speed levels on here, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then here's the button you guys can push to start it. And you guys control the speed level or whatever on here, like this. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out whether it's actually worth it and whether it actually works is to actually go try it out. So let's go try this out first and see when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so when you guys plug in the product, this is basically what it should look like. You can see, so it's blinking right here. So how you guys want to change the setting is by turning this knob right here to change the speed, you guys can see. So now that 1, if you guys want to go to 8, just go like that. And once you guys go to 8, it won't turn it anymore. Same thing if you guys go to 1. And when you guys want to start using it, just click the start button right here to activate it. If you guys want to use any of these other options, just click on it and actually activate the product itself like this. And then you just want to click start. And then this should start working right here. You guys can see, so that's ice crushing. If you guys want to use smoothie, click smoothie and then start. And obviously, since there's nothing in here, then you guys don't want to blend anything yet. So let me go get some ice and throw it in here and then crush some ice to show you guys how powerful it is. Alright, so we're gonna put in the ice first. We're gonna put it in here. Alright, so we're gonna add a few more of these ice cubes in here, and then we'll use the ice crush option right here. Alright, so we got our ice in here. We're gonna close up the cap that we have right here on top, just like this. Make sure it's locked. And then turn on the ice crush option right here. And then we'll click start and see what happens. Alright, so you can hear that's super loud, but it does work. All the ice is all crushed. But let's open up the inside and see what it looks like. Alright, so you can see all the ice is all crushed. So basically if you guys want to use this ice, you guys can use it for making like bingsu or like shaved ice on here. So that's pretty cool. So you guys can see how powerful the blender is, even just like using the ice crush option. If you guys use it for like grinding or smoothie, obviously it's much easier since it's more softer. Ice is super hard. So this is what happens when you use the ice crushing option, which is pretty powerful as you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product itself. As you can see, that actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use as you can see. It's actually really powerful and really loud if you guys actually saw how the test itself. And basically how it works is that if you guys want to like crush stuff that are pretty easy, then you can use speed level 1 to 4. But if you guys want to like crush something like super hard, maybe like, I don't know, a whole avocado or ice or something, then you guys want to just use the speed level 5 to 8. So that way it's like faster speed and stronger speed. So that way you can actually put more pressure or strain to it to actually blend, grind, or whatever you guys want to use the product to blend. And also what's really cool about the product itself is the way how they actually built the product is that if you guys do end up dropping it by accident, they do have like a drop impact like resistant the way how they made the material on the actual product itself as you can see. So they have the impact resistant here, and here, and it has the anti-grip or anti-slip material on here as well. So the same kind of material I use right here. So that way when you guys put it onto like a flat surface, it won't really shift around or move around too much. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys love making smoothie or you just want to blend stuff or grind stuff. Whatever the case may be that you guys want to use this for, that is up to you guys, but you guys can see that it works really well and has a fast blending, and it's obviously it's not going to be really quiet, but it does the job to like blend it really quickly and like really powerful, if you guys can see. And also the product itself is BPA friendly or BPA free, so you guys don't have to worry about that either. And washing the product itself is actually really easy. All you guys have to do is just rinse it. Maybe you guys can even put your hand in there, but just be careful with the blade inside. Maybe like rinsing it should be fine. You guys don't really need to like scrub it. Unless you guys use something like really oily like butter in there, then you guys probably need to scrub it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have